Do you have to type long messages in your routine? Do you type them? If yes, then you are wasting much of your precious time because you haven't used text expander till now. So we are introducing you the text expander that saves your much of the time. So let's see what is text expander and how does it work. Hello guys, welcome to another video of Technical Manii, and this is just a tech video as always. So this video is about the text expander that expands the text and added by you as you wish and as the person feeds. For example, when a person feeds his address under letter A or 2 3 letters, or he makes a shortcut ADRS, so it will be fed, and it's really simple process and it really saves the time. It saves long distance typing, wasting time or time usage. So this is really helpful thing, and this is a really short step, so it will help the people a lot. So let's start the video and see how does it work. So guys, first of all you need to go to Play Store and you need to check out text expander. You need to search on Play Store text expander, and then you will see this application first. On first application you will open it. It will be upgraded by ISIS studios. So let me change first. I'll delete first one. Okay, now I'll tell you. Now you click on the plus button and then click on phrase. Then I'll put a shortcut number. And in the phrase section I will put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then I have put it. Then now I will back it. Then I will go on Chrome. I'll click on number, and look, you can see the option here. So this was a short step, and you can fill up whole sentence, whole paragraph in this way. And if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends. Comment below which videos you want next.